Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to delete custom home page in Salesforce. Delete a home page in Salesforce from the app builder, and once the home page get deleted from the app, it get permanently deleted from the Lightning page. So let's move ahead and see the process of delete a home page from the app builder. So move to our developer account. This is my Salesforce Lightning account. So click on the gear icon and click on the setup option and then enter the Lightning app builder in the quick find box and then select the Lightning app builder link. It will redirect us to the Lightning App Builder page, and under this we can see the list of the Lightning page, and here we want to delete the home page, so we click on the delete button and the window is pop up. Are you sure? For the confirmation, so hit the OK button. Now we can see we are facing an error which is showing an unable to complete the requested change. It means that the home page we are going to delete currently activated in any of the application. So first we have to deactivate the home page from the application. So if you want to learn how to deactivate the home page from the application, I am mentioning the video link in the description box. So go here and check how to deactivate the home page in Salesforce. Right now, I am deactivate the home page from the app. Now again click on the delete button and the window is pop up. For the confirmation, the Lightning page you are deleting is assigned to one or more profile. If you delete the Lightning page, those profile will see the default home page. Hit the OK button and here we go. Our home page is deleted successfully. So this was the process of deleting the home page in Salesforce. And I hope that you have liked this video. Then please do like, share and subscribe. And do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you can get the regular updates of upcoming videos. And thank you for giving your time and watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.